Hello Etiens! Welcome back to my channel. Good news tayo. Dalawang hashtags trending sa buong Pilipinas. Ang S19 at the Mega Ball at ang Take Fashions and Food. Kaya naman congratulations S19. Trending kayo sa buong Pilipinas.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake.
At syempre, hindi lang sa Pilipinas, kundi worldwide, sa buong mundo. Trending din ang SB19 sa pag-attend ng Mega Ball 2024. Congratulations! Trending sa Pilipinas at trending sa buong mundo.
As you fade away,
yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at any